How to change Google Forms language. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language in Google Form quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Form and sign in with your account. And once you are inside the Google Form, simply select any form where you want to change the language. And once you are inside the form, simply right click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear at the top of the screen. So simply click on the three dots in the pop-up menu and then select Choose another language. And now just pick up a desired language. For this video, let's go with the Arabic. Once you have selected that, simply click on Translate. And as you can see, the language has been updated, and that's how you can change the language in Google Form. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.